today we are going to discuss about that coordinate right. So coordinate geometry in a plane, the vertical line is y-axis and the horizontal line is x-axis, and this point is called origin. So this is a coordinate plane. This is quadrant 1 and this is quadrant 2 and this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4, right? So these are all positive values, and this is here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive, and here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative, and here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So like this we have, if you take any 2 points in this plane, for example point A is here and one more point is here B. So we need to find the distance between these 2 points. So the concept, the distance between these 2 points, how can we find out it? So for example one more point is there C, and here if you join this it can form a triangle, am I right? So how can we find the area between these 3 points, area of this? So this is triangle. Triangle is concept of geometry, and to find the distance and area. Okay. So in a coordination plane, in this plane we are taken 3 points, and these 3 points will form a triangle. This triangle is concept of geometry, and we are finding the area of this by using these coordinates like A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 and C x3 y2. So by using these coordinates we are finding the area, right? So basically how can we find the area of triangle? Half into base into height, or we can use Heron's formula. So s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c under root. So like that we can find that kind of formula. We can use that kind of formula to find the area of triangle. But here we can use the coordinates, so to find the area of triangle. So that how can we find out it? We'll discuss in the next further classes. So first we will go for the basics concepts of this coordinates geometry. So how to find the distance between 2 points? Okay, how to find the distance between any 2 points in a coordination plane. So like here are one point is here and one point is here. Then how can we find out the distance between these two, some C and D? So like this we can find the distance between any 2 points by using coordinates planes, coordinates. So we are going to discuss now. So here let us take a x-axis and y-axis and origin. We'll see the basic concepts here. So for example here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, so on, right? So like this we have. So let us take the distance between the point here, this is A, and the point here B. So what is the distance between these two? How can we find out it? So very simple. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 units. Am I right? So how can we find out it? The last value we are subtracting from the first value. 5 minus 1, 4 units are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 units are there. So if you take the points here, A is x1 and y1, and here x2 and y2, the y coordinate is 0. The y coordinate on x-axis is 0, and here y coordinate is 0. So therefore x1 0 this point and x2 0 this point. So to find the distance 5 minus 1, what is 5 here? x2, and what is 1? x1. So x2 minus x1. To find the distance on x-axis between any 2 points, we use the formula x2 minus x1. Similarly, to find on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Let us take some C point here 0 comma y1 and here 0 comma y2, because x coordinate is 0 on y-axis. So how can we find the distance between these two? y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. So to find the distance between any 2 points on the x-axis, we use x2 minus x1. So distance between any 2 points on the y-axis, we can use y2 minus y1. So if it is not like that, let us take some point here. So this is x coordinate is 2 comma 3 and this is 5 comma 5. How can we find the distance between these 2 points? Okay, so we cannot use like 5 minus 2 and 5 minus 3. We cannot find like that, we cannot get that distance. So then what we have to do, just you have to draw a parallel line to the x-axis and parallel line to the y-axis. Suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. So what is the C? X coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3. Okay. So how can we find out this? To find the distance between A to C, simply we know that x2 minus x1 and 5 minus 2, that is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. To find the distance between these two BC, so what we have to do, this is parallel to y-axis, the points which are lies on y-axis to the parallel. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5, that is y2 minus y1. So just imagine that A is x1 y1 and this is x2 y1 and this is x2 some y3. Okay, so coordinate is same, like simply to find the distance between these two. Okay, we are taken y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. So just like we can imagine that the same y2 minus y1. So here y1 is there, let us take y2 here. Okay, so y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. We are getting that it is look like a right angle triangle. So when we are using right angle triangle, what is the formula? What is the formula? By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse. This is the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. How can we find the distance of hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras formula. So what is that formula? For example, this is like AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So AC square, this distance whole square plus BC square, this distance whole square is equal to the AC square. We know that the Pythagoras theorem. So in a right angle triangle, sum of the squares of two adjacent sides is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. That we came to know very clearly. So what is AC? AC we know that x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus what is BC? BC here y2 minus y1 whole square. So y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, we don't know, this we need to find. So AB square. Am I right? So now we need to find only the distance of AB. So to get length of AB and the root of, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus, so y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula to find the distance between any 2 points in a coordination plane. So that is here we are taken A to B. So or else we can take here also. So like C and D. So we can find. So here also we can find out it. So wherever it is lies, So we can find the distance between any 2 points by using this formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now we can find very easily distance between these two. Okay, A, B. So what is A here? 2 comma 3 and here 5 comma 5. So we can find out it x2 means here 5. So 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 here 5 minus 3 whole square. So 5 minus 3 whole square under root. So now 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 3 square 9 plus 5 minus 3 2 square 4. So under root. So that is equal to 9 plus 4 root 13. So like this we can find out distance between any 2 points by using this formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Okay, so keep practice, you will get more knowledge and you can take more examples, more points and substitute in this formula, you will get more understanding. Okay, thank you.